ma'am. I am Riza Faye Formentera, and my chosen tool or machine is woodworking router. Technology shapes the future, and it can help to make it compatible with nature. It can help us to develop clean energy, transport possibilities with emissions, and low energy to save resources. Woodworking rotors can be used to cut patterns, grooves, and designs across multiple pieces of wood. Even though we have pandemic, the woodworking rotors are still there, and it is expected to be available in the future because most of the woodworking manufacturers adapt the technological advances, and through technology, their inventions has been improved in the industry.